Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to show you the best free AI Chatbot Girlfriend apps available. There are many options out there, but I've narrowed it down to the top 4 for you. Let's get started. First on the list is the AI Girlfriend app. This app is the latest and most advanced virtual girlfriend app. With AI Girlfriend, you can create a customized virtual partner who looks and acts just like your ideal girlfriend. The app uses advanced natural language processing, or NLP, and machine learning technology to simulate realistic conversations. Your AI girlfriend personalizes each chat based on your interests and likes, making her feel like a unique partner. What I like about this app is the personalized conversations and the variety of AI girlfriends you can choose from according to your preferences. Next up is Romantic AI. This app is available on both iOS and Android. It's a revolutionary AI girlfriend software that lets you customize your virtual romantic experience. Just like the AI Girlfriend app, Romantic AI is powered by advanced natural language processing and machine learning algorithms. You can create a virtual girlfriend that suits your ideal specifications and enjoy a personalized romantic interaction. Finally, we have Chardi. This app allows users to create, discover, and chat with a wide range of virtual characters, from anime and vampires to fairy tale and mythological beings. Chardi AI excels at simulating fluid and human-like conversations. Users can create unique characters with the support of open-source models like Pygmalion. The endless selection of characters and the ability to create your own makes this app stand out. The last AI girlfriend app on our list is Anima AI. This is the most advanced romance chatbot you can interact with. Anima AI is a fun and playful dating simulator with no strings attached. You can engage in friendly chat, role play, and improve your love and relationship skills. Anima AI simulates human conversations for an authentic virtual relationship. You can customize your virtual girlfriend's look, personality, and interests to fit your ideal partner. The app also features a variety of activities and games you can enjoy with your AI girlfriend, like cooking recipes together, watching movies, and even going on virtual dates. The possibilities are endless. What I like about this app is the wide range of customizable options, its ease of use, and its availability for both Android and iOS users. And that's it. These are the top 4 free AI Chatbot Girlfriend apps available. Each app offers unique features and customization options to help you find your perfect virtual partner. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.